So there was a guy on the construction site that was working on moving like those big wheels, those wooden wheels.
Yeah. The
So-
windmill type
Yeah,
of thing?
no, it's like
A
you
mill,
can
it's
roll
a-
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like a big wheel, a wooden wheel that you kind of like roll around. I think it's for cable or something like that,
Okay,
right?
okay.
And you need like at least 3 people to move it.
Yeah.
So there was a guy on site that offered him help. So the guy's like, okay, let's just move it over here to where it's supposed to be. The guy helps, and they're moving it, they're rolling it,